Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to show you how to program your RCA Universal Remote to work with your Roku TV Stick. This is a great way to simplify your home entertainment setup and control your Roku seamlessly. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Preparation. Firstly, make sure your Roku TV Stick is plugged in and powered on. Also, have your RCA Universal Remote and its user manual handy. This will help us find the correct programming codes. Step 2. Finding the code. Now, grab your RCA Universal Remote manual and locate the section that lists codes for Roku devices. These codes are essential for pairing your remote with the Roku TV Stick. If you don't have the manual, don't worry. We'll show you how to search for the code manually. Step 3. Programming the remote. Press and hold the code search button on your RCA Universal Remote until the indicator light turns on. Next, press the device button for TV on the remote since Roku TV Stick uses TV control settings. Enter the code using the number pad. If you found the correct code in the manual, the indicator light will turn off. Step 4. Verifying setup. Once you've entered the code, point the RCA Universal Remote towards the Roku TV Stick and press the power button. If the TV turns off, you've successfully programmed your remote. If not, repeat steps 2 to 3 with another code until the remote operates the TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. Programming your RCA Universal Remote to your Roku TV Stick is simple with these steps. Now you can enjoy controlling your Roku TV Stick with ease using just one remote. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!